Yeah, let's start our lesson today. Today our lesson is adjectives. Yes, I hope you have learned adjectives this lesson in grade 8 too. But according to the work plan we have been given by the Ministry of Education, you have the same lesson again in grade 9. So we will have this in more detail this time. Right. Now we are going to watch a video first, and while watching the video you pay attention to the highlighted words. අර highlight කරපු වචන වලට පොඩ්ඩක් අවධානය යොමු කරන්න.
Today is the Christmas day. Jack and Emma run to see the wonderful gifts from Santa. Jack gets a red car.
Yeah.
Emma gets a beautiful doll.
Wow.
It's time to get ready for the grand party.
Yay!
Jack and Emma wear new clothes. Emma wears a pretty red dress. She likes her long boots. Jack wears a smart jacket with 4 pockets.
Yeah.
The well-dressed mom and dad lay the table. The happy twins wait for their loving grandparents. Look, tall Grandpa is coming in a shiny green car. Grandpa has a long white beard just like Santa. Gracious Grandma is wearing a yellow scarf. She always carries her tiny purse. Grandparents bring many gifts and fragrant flowers from their garden. Here comes the lovely couple.
Wow.
And Susie gives a huge teddy bear to Emma. Jack gets his favorite toy helicopter. Uncle Sam is a handsome man.
Let's start our lesson now. What is an adjective? Now in the video too, you saw some highlighted words. For example, tiny purse, a green car. Right. So now car, how is the car? Green car. So it gives about the color of the car. Right. So then green is an adjective. So what is an adjective then? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. නාම පදයක් විස්තර කරනවා. පදයකට තමයි කියන්නේ අපි adjective කියලා. Right. So look at example now. Beautiful girl, small island, big classroom, kind lady, helpful person. Girl, island, classroom, lady, person. They all are nouns. How is the girl? Beautiful. Right? So beautiful is an adjective. How is the island? Sri Lanka is a small island. How is Sri Lanka? It's a small island. Punchi Dupata. Right. So then beautiful, small, big, kind, helpful are adjectives. They come before a noun. Let's look at the sentences now. My mother is a kind lady. Sri Lanka is a small island. Mr. Pereira is a helpful person. My mother is a kind lady. මගේ අම්මා කරුණාවන්ත කාන්තාවක්. So lady is a noun. A kind lady. Sri Lanka is a small island. Mr. Pereira is a helpful person. Right. So the adjective comes before a noun. Or we can write the sentence in this way too. My mother is kind. How is your mother? She is kind. Sri Lanka is small. Mr. Pereira is helpful. So here you don't get a noun after the adjective. Kind, small, helpful are adjectives, but you don't get a noun after that. But you can write the adjectives in that way too. මේකට පස්සේ මේ දෙවෙනි කොටසේ තියෙනවට පස්සේ නම් පදයක් නෑ ඔයාලට පේනවා. But you can write in that way too. Yes. Right. Now let's look at the pictures now. There's a girl here. She's a beautiful girl. Right. Then the man is carrying a heavy load of goods. Then there's a smart boy. Next, the man is exhausted. Yes. Adjectives are of three types: positive form, comparative form, superlative form. Let's see what the positive form is. Example, he is a bad boy. එයා නරක ළමයෙක්. නරක ළමයි ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා අය එක්කෙනෙක්. A bad boy. The sun is a bright star. දීප්තිමත්වරු ගොඩක් තියෙනවා අහසේ. එයින් එකක් තමයි මේ ඉර කියන්නේ. A bright star. Mango is a sweet fruit. He is an honest person. Right. Now here you get an. දැන් කලින් වතාවේ a නේ. Here you get an. Why do you get an here? Honest. Honest. When you say honest is adjective. So you get O sound. O is a vowel sound. So you can't use a here. Vowel sound එකට ඔයාලා දන්නවා a දාන්න බෑ n එන්න ඕනේ. He is an honest person. She is an educated lady. Harry Potter is an interesting storybook. Right. So what happens in the positive form? Right. So bad, bright, sweet, honest, educated, interesting, they all are adjectives. Right. Now here they have come up before a noun. හැබැයි adjective එකට කලින් මොකක්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? a hari and hari ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. So then you get it the positive form. Right? එහෙනම් අපි නිකම්ම තියෙන adjective එක තමයි දාන්නේ. වෙනස් කරන්නේ අපි නිකන් දාන්න adjective එක තමයි දාන්නේ. Right? Next. Second one is the comparative form. So in the comparative form, we compare two things or two people. Right? Look at the example pictures here. The boy is taller than the girl. The boy is taller. Usai, usa වැඩි කාට වඩාද? ගෑන් ළමයාට වඩා. Than the girl. The girl is shorter than the boy. Likewise, you can say the ගෑන් ළමයා කොටයිනේ පෙර ළමයාට වඩා. The girl is ගෑන් ළමයා කොටයි. එහෙනම් shorter මෙයාට වඩා than the boy. Now here, what are the two adjectives you get here? Taller, shorter. අපි දැන් කලින් කතා වුණේ tall, short කියලානේ. හැබැයි මෙතන ඉතින් taller, shorter. Why do you get taller, shorter? Taller, shorter are also adjectives. Why do you get taller, shorter? Because we are comparing the two persons, two things. So then it's called the comparative form. Second one, the ruler is longer than the pencil. The pencil is shorter than the ruler. The book is thicker than the newspaper. The newspaper is thinner than the book. Right, the book is thicker. ගණකම වැඩි පත්ත. The book is thicker than the newspaper. පොත newspaper එකට වඩා ගණකම වැඩි, මහත වැඩි. The book is thicker than the newspaper. පත්තරයට වැඩිය. The newspaper is thinner than the book. Thin කියන්නේ thin is opposite of thick. Then the tree is bigger than the flower. The flower is smaller than the tree. This boy is being careless, but this boy is being more careless. Yes. Now the boy on the left side is careless, but the boy on the left side is more careless. They are වැඩියෙන් හලාගෙන more careless. මෙයාට වැඩිය බමේ ඉන්න කෙනාට වැඩිය දකුණේ කෙනා වැඩියෙන් careless, more careless. So now the left side, the piece of handwriting on the left side is good, but what is on the right side is better than the other one. දකුණු වම් පැත්තේ තියෙන දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන එක වම් පැත්තේ තියෙන handwriting වලට වඩා හොඳයි. So this is better. Now here what you get on the left side, he has got there's a book here. He has got only 1 out of 10. On the right side, 0, no marks. Right? So both are bad. He has got only 1, he has got only 0. He has got 0. So both are bad. So this is bad. So the book on the left side is bad. But this is worse than the other one. Right, now here there is some handwriting. This writing is on, but on the left side, this writing is good. What you get on the left side is good, but what you get on the right side is better than the other writing. Yes. How do we make the comparative form and the superlative form? Right, now let's see how we make. Right, now let's number 3, superlative form. Yes, super, when you from the word you can realize what the meaning is. Super means best, right? Then අපි කියනවා, now look at the example. The Pidru Taragala is the highest mountain in Sri Lanka. උසම කන්ද, උසම කිව්වහම එකයිනේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? So the highest. අපි එකම කියන තේරුම තමයි the දාන්නේ. Yes, superlative form. The Pidru Talagala is the highest mountain in Sri Lanka. උසම කන්ද, ලංකාවේ තියෙන උසම කඳු තියෙන්නේ එකයි. අපි එකයි කියන තේරුමින් තමයි අපි දාන්නේ the කියන වචනේ, the article, the highest. The Mahaveli is the longest river in my country. The longest river. දිගම ගංගා තියෙන්නේ එකයි. The longest. COVID-19 is the most dangerous disease that we have ever known. Bill Gates is the richest person in the world. The elephant is the largest animal on land. Right. So what are the adjectives here? Highest, longest, most dangerous, richest, largest. They are adjectives. Right. They belong to the superlative form. So you get the before the adjective. The කියන article එක එනවා adjective එකට කලින්. Right. How do you make the comparative form and the superlative form? By adding, first method is by adding ER and EST. Right. Positive form, sweet. Yeah. How do you make the comparative? Sweeter by adding ER. Superlative by adding EST. Sweetest. Then small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Young, younger, youngest. So you can have many more examples. Right. Second method, when the last letter is Y. Now first one is the positive form. Easy, heavy, happy, pretty, merry. That is the positive form. What is the last letter there? Y. Right. So then how do you make the comparative form? By omitting a Y. Instead of Y. Y වෙනුවට දානවා අපි I. දාලා we add ER. Easier. Y වෙනුවට I ඇවිල්ලා ER එනවා. Then easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Next method, when the last letter is E. Right, positive form. Wise. Last letter is E. Then how do we make the comparative form? අපි දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ER එකතු කරන්නේ. මෙතන E තියෙනවා. So we add only R. R විතරයි එකතු කරන්නේ. Wiser, wisest. Fine, finer, finest. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Right. When the last, now next one is when the last letter is a consonant. What is a consonant? So in the English alphabet, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. The others are consonants. Right? Right. Look at the positive form. Fat, big, hot, thin, red. What is the last letter in the first one? T. Then big G. Then hot T. Thin N. Red D. So last letter is a consonant. But before that you get a vowel. Fat කිව්වම T එකට කලින් A එකක් තියෙනවා. A sound. Big E sound. Like now there's a vowel sound also. So then how do you make the comparative? Fat නම් එන්නේ fatter. You get doubled. You double the letter, last letter. Fatter and fattest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Red, redder, reddest. Right. Now, next one, by adding more and most. Right. Positive form. Difficult. How do you make the comparative? More difficult. Superlative, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. Colorful, more colorful, most colorful. Right. Now there's an exception. දැන් අර එකකටවත් ආйти නැති ක්‍රමයක්. දැන් මෙතෙක් කල් කරපුවා තිබුණා මොකක්ද ක්‍රමයක් නේ. There's a regular way. But here is irregular. ක්‍රමයක් නැහැ. වෙනස් විදියට හැදෙන්න comparative superlative. Let's see how they are. Good. Positive form, good. Comparative, better. Superlative, best. Bad, comparative, worse. Superlative, worst. Little, less, least. Much. You know much is used for non-count nouns. ගණන් කරන්න බැරි වට පාවිච්චි කරන much. There is much water in my bottle. Then comparative, more. Superlative, most. Then many. Many is used for count nouns. There are many tables in my classroom. ගණන් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඒවට. But for that also comparative is more and superlative most. Much, many, there are two adjectives, but comparative and superlative are the same. Right, now let's look at these pictures here. Now there are three girls here. Look at the first girl. She's smiling, so she's happy. Second girl, she has a broad smile, so she is happier than the first girl. අරයට වඩා සතුටින් ඉන්නේ. වැඩි සතුටුයි, happier. Last one, she is dancing because she is so happy. She is the happiest. තුන්දෙනාගේ සතුටින්ම ඉන්නේ යා. Right. Let's look at the mushrooms now. හතු වර්ගයක් තියෙනවානේ mushroom. First mushroom is good. Its growth is good. Second mushroom, its growth is better than the first one. Last one has the best growth. හොඳටම වැඩිම තියෙන last one. Right. Then the three equipment here. First one is useful. Second one, more useful. Third one, the most useful. Right. Then there are three boys here. First girl is young. Second one is younger than the first one. අරයට වඩා බාලයි පොඩි. Last one is the youngest. එයා තමයි බාලම එක්කෙනා. Next, there are two apples here. How are the apples? They are sweet. But the bananas sweeter than the apples. Apples වලට වඩා පැණි රසයි. But the cake is the sweetest. පැණි රස වැඩිම තියෙන cake එක the sweetest. Then there is a sausage here. The sausage is hot. Then the candle is hotter than the sausage. Then the sun is the hottest. Right. So now there's another situation where we use the positive form. Now we know how to make the positive form, comparative form and the superlative forms of the adjectives. They all are adjectives, right? So when we have the positive form, you get a or an before the adjective. If you have the comparative form, you get then after the adjective. When you have the superlative form, you get the before the adjective. But look at this one here. China is as large as Australia. Right. There are two countries here, China and Australia. Here too we are comparing the two countries. අපි දන්නවා compare කරනවා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ comparative එක. හැබැයි මෙතන පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ comparative නෙමෙයි. comparative වෙනවා නම් දැන් එන්න ඕන. මෙතන පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ as කියන එක. දෙපැත්තේ තියෙන as දෙක මැද තියෙන adjective එක. එතනදී අපි කියන්නේ දෙකම එක වගේ. China is as large as Australia. ඒ කියන්නේ China චීනය ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාව වගේම ලොකුයි. ඒ වගේ දෙකම එක වගේ ලොකුයි. China is as large as China is as large as Australia. චීනය ඔස්ට්‍රේලියා වගේම ලොකුයි. He is as brave as a lion. එයා සිංහෙක් වගේ නිර්භීතයි. She is as kind as my mother. මගේ අම්මා වගේම කරුණාවන්තයි එයා. Right. Now do this activity using the bow method. Right. Let's look at the answers given here. Right. Peacock, feather, lark. Lark is a singing bird. So we think lark is always happy. Fox, bee, ass is the donkey. Lion, snow, crystal. Crystal කියන්නේ පලිඟුවනේ අර බොහොම පැහැදිලි දෙකක් තමයි ඒක. Mouse කියන්නේ මීයට. Right. Let's see how we fill in the blanks here. As brave as a නිර්භීත කවුරු වගේද? As a lion. Yes. As white as snow. හිම වගේ සුදුයි. As busy as a bee. As clear as crystal. As light as a feather. මෙතන light කියන්නේ not heavy කියන opposite of heavy. සැහැල්ලුයි කියන තේරුම. As light as a feather. As proud as a peacock. මොනර වගේ ආඩම්බරයි. As happy as a lark. 8. As stupid. Stupid කියන්නේ මෝඩයි කියන එක. As an ass. As quiet as a mouse. As cunning as a fox. Right. Now this is the end of the lesson. Right. Now you have, I hope you have gained a very good knowledge of adjectives. Right. So now using the comparative, the positive, comparative and the superlative forms of the adjectives and the other method using two asses. අර අපි කියන්නේ සමානයි කියන තේරුම එන විදිහට දෙකම එක වගේ සමාන විදිහට තේරුම කියන්නේ. Right. So now you know all these. Let's fill in the blanks now. Number 1. The butterfly is a insect. ඔන්න කියන ආටිකල් එක තියෙනවා. and කියලා આવොත් මම කියලා දුන්නා ඔයගලන්ට එන්නේ positive form එක කියලා. එහෙනම් මොකක්ද එන්නේ? A colorful insect. ඒක එහෙමමයි එන්නේ. B. My sister is than I. Than කිව්වොත් ඔන්න superlative comparative form නේ. එහෙනම් taller than I. C. The Nile is the කියන්නේ superlative form. Longest river in the world. D. Blood is thicker than water. THICKER. Right. E. The rabbit is a positive form. Timid animal. Timid කියන්නේ බයගුළු. F. Silver is cheaper than gold. G. My grandfather's hair is as cotton. ඔන්න දෙකක් තියෙනවා as කියලා. එහෙනම් මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ? positive form එක. ඒ කියන්නේ white. As white as cotton. H. He is not as clever as he appears to be. I. The younger generation is than the older generation. Right. What form is it? Yes, comparative. You get than. What is the answer then? Busier. Right. Busy, B-U-S-Y. So how do you make the comparative form? Busier. Spelling? B-U-S-I-E-R. Right. Last one. There is sugar in the bottle A than in the bottle B. Right. Then you get then here. Then එනවා මොකක්ද එන්නේ? Comparative form. So there is more sugar in the bottle A than in the bottle B. Right. Now this is the end of the lesson. Let's meet another day.